How to turn off data saver on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on settings and privacy. And here you need to scroll down to cache and cellular data section. And from there, click on data saver. And here you will see that the data saver is turned on. So what you need to do in order for you to turn it off is just click on the toggle next to it. And this will disable and turn off the data saver. So that was it for this video. That's how you can turn off and disable the TikTok data saver. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.